ACDC controller PCB replacement. Removing the PCB. Open the controller. Unplug panel connecting cables. Remove the controller panel cover. First, unplug the fan cable from the PCB. After, unscrew the screws at the corners of the PCB. Then unscrew the screws in the center of the PCB. Install the PCB. Put on the silicone pads. Put the PCB into the controller box. Align the screw holes. Asterisk 5 screws diagonally into the corners of the PCB. Then screw in the full 3 asterisk 12 screws. Finally, plug in the panel cable and fan cable.